So I actually remade my wax candy corn using yellow beeswax, and now it looks even more real. Like, you can't tell me this isn't corn. If you missed part one, I made my own wax candy, and today we're gonna finally eat the corn that you guys want me to eat so bad. Some of the jam is kind of peeking through, but pretty good. Moment of truth, here we go. I put a blackberry and strawberry jam mixture in it, and it's actually really good. The top's getting wobbly, so I'm gonna just bite it. Okay, it's starting to break apart a little bit. It's just so good. Just got the bottom left. That bottom is thick. Last bite, and yes, my jaw is tired. Whew. Not to toot my own horn, but that was so good and so much fun to eat. One thing about the yellow wax is that it's 100% beeswax, so it tastes like honeycomb. Like, the honey taste is actually kind of strong, but I actually love that about it, and that mixed with the jam was actually a really good taste.